Hey guys, want to create viral quiz thumbnails like QuizBlitz or Monkey Quiz channel? In this video, I'll show you a simple AI trick to create high click-through rate thumbnails in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, take a look at these QuizBlitz style thumbnails. They are bright, colorful, and instantly grab attention. Notice a few key things here. They use bold text, vibrant colors, and simple objects like emojis or shapes. And most importantly, they create curiosity. That's the secret behind getting more clicks. Now, let's create something similar. Step 1. Download a few reference thumbnails from YouTube. You can use any thumbnail downloader tool or simply follow the method I explained in my previous video. I've already downloaded a few samples. Next, open ChatGPT and upload those thumbnail images. Now type this prompt, analyze this thumbnail, and create a detailed AI image generation prompt, including background, colors, objects, composition, and text placement. Hit enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a powerful prompt for you. Now comes the fun part. Copy that prompt and paste it into any AI image generation tool. You can use ChatGPT itself, or tools like Leonardo AI, Bing Image Creator, or Midjourney. Generate the image, and within seconds, you'll get a brand new thumbnail image, which is completely original and yours. And that's it. Your viral style quiz thumbnail is ready. Before we finish, here are some quick pro tips. Use only 3 to 5 elements in your thumbnail. Always keep one clear focus. Use bright colors like yellow, red, and blue. And create curiosity. Don't reveal everything in the thumbnail. Now you're ready to create amazing thumbnails using AI. If you found this helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.